morning or on the morning? Is it on nights or at night? In Monday or on Monday? Which one is correct? Hey there everyone, this is teacher Sarah with you. How are you? Hope you're doing great, inshallah. So guys, today I'm gonna teach you which preposition that you can use with morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Also, which preposition that we can use with days of week. To know the answer, just stay with me. Riley, can we go to see a movie tomorrow evening? Sorry, I can't. I'm busy on the evening. Alright. What did you say? On the evening? Yeah. I think you mean in the evening. Well, I think not. It's wrong. Okay. What about after tomorrow night? I'm so sorry, I can't. I have to do some work in night. Oh my god. My dear, it's at night. Okay, fine, thank you. You're welcome. So, can we go next Friday? Oh, in Friday. Actually, I have a doctor appointment. On Friday. On. You know what? Just forget about it. I don't want to go to any place. Okay. Sorry. So guys, this conversation showed us that we cannot use the preposition on with morning, afternoon, and evening. It's wrong. We cannot say on the morning, on the afternoon, on the evening. No. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Also, we cannot use the preposition on and in with night. It's wrong. We don't say on night or in night. No, it's at night. An example? I will see my friends on the evening. Wrong. I will see my friends in the evening. I have to study in night. Wrong. I have to study at night. See you on the morning. Wrong. See you in the morning. Also guys, we can't use the preposition at or in with days of week. No, we always use on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. An example: I have a doctor appointment at Friday. Wrong. I have a doctor appointment on Friday. My friend's birthday will be in Monday. Wrong. My friend's birthday will be on Monday. So guys, these were the right prepositions that you can use with days of week and also with morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Well, hope you will get benefit from them. Also, try to practice them as well. This is our video for today. Hope you like it. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any question, write a comment below. For more conversations, you will find them on screen. Thank you so much for your attention and have a great